Okay, students, welcome back. Next chapter discussion on chapter 4, Animal Kingdom, NCERT Biology. From this chapter, we will discuss objective bits which are related to NEET and CET. So let's start first bit here, that is protozoans, basis of classification, and phylum Porifera. See here, pick the odd pair out. Pick the odd pair out. From here, see here the option 1, cellular level, Porifera. Option 2, tissue level, Aschelminthes. Option 3, organ level, Platyhelminthes. Option 4, organ system level, Annelida. See, pick the odd pair out. So odd pair out. Here, see, generally here, cellular level of organization. In this one, Porifera. In the Porifera, the cells are loosely arranged. So it is correct. It is not odd pair one. Next, tissue level of organization. So generally, Aschelminthes is not shown tissue level of organization. Actually, so Aschelminthes is shown. Actually, organ level of organization. Actually, correct organ. Aschelminthes shows organ level of organization. So tissue level is not shown in Platyhelminthes. It is different one, odd one. Organ level in Platyhelminthes, okay. Organ system level in Annelida. So among these four options, the different option is 2. Pick the odd pair out is 2. The correct option is 2. Here, if you will see animals, second bit, animals which possesses various types of symmetry. Select the correct match. Here, echinodermates. Echinodermates shows radial symmetry. So this is correct. Echinodermates, starfish, those will show radial symmetry. Radial symmetry means what? The body is divided into equal halves. So option 1 is correct. Option 2, arthropods. Generally, arthropods shows bilaterally symmetrical. Bilaterally symmetrical means what? The body is divided into 2 similar halves. Both right, left are mirror images. Left one is identical to the right one is identical to the left one. So second also correct. Sponges, mostly asymmetrical. Yes, asymmetrical. So the sponges belongs to the Porifera. The body is not divided into 2 equal halves. So mostly asymmetrical. So such kind of organisms are called asymmetrical organisms. So in this case, 3 options are correct. So here the correct option is for second question, 4th, all of these. Next, if you will see third question, select the group of organisms given below. Those have diploblastic members only. So here group of organisms, in 4 options, a group of organisms given. In those, some organisms shows diploblastic members. Diploblastic means what? So the organisms are formed from 2 cellular layers, that is ectoderm and endoderm. So that is called diploblastic members. So diploblastic members means what here? Tenoplana, Tina, fasciole. Generally, option 1 is wrong. These will not show diploblastic. These will not form from the 2 cellular layers. So let's see second. Euspongia. Euspongia, it belongs to the phylum Porifera. Physalia, Nidaria. Meandrina. So generally, these 3 organisms shows diploblastic organization, diploblastic organization. So it is correct. Let's see. So Eukarya, Culex, and Limulus, these will not show diploblastic organization. These are triploblastic organizations. So it is wrong. Aedes, Ascaris, Hydra, these also triploblastic organisms, it is the wrong option. So among these four options, the correct option is 2. Next bit, fourth question discussion. In deuterostomia, blastopore forms. See here, deuterostomia means, so typically, deuterostomia is characterized by their anus. The anus is formed. Okay, so typically the deuterostomia is characterized by anus. So in deuterostomia, blastopore forms anus before the mouth. So the correct option is anus. Okay, so mouth, both, none is wrong option. So for fourth question, the correct answer is second. It is beyond NCERT bit. Next, open blood vascular system is found in. So open blood vascular system, nothing but open type of circulatory system. So it is commonly found in sarcoglossus. In this closed type of circulatory system, we will find. Sorry, so sarcoglossus. Yes, it is belongs to the hemichordata. So it shows open blood vascular system. It is correct only. Anopheles, female Anopheles. It is also shows open blood vascular. It is insect. It will shows open blood vascular system. Pila globosa, it is also shows open blood vascular system. Among these four options, so 3 options were correct. So here fourth option is correct. For fifth question, fourth option is correct. Open blood vascular system. In this one, pump blood. The heart is pump blood into hemocoel with the blood. From the from the heart pumps blood directly to the body cavity. Okay, that is called open blood vascular system. Next, sixth question. Select the option with all pseudocoelomate animals. So here a group of organisms given. In those group of organisms, which one will show pseudocoelomate character? See here, if you will see here, Ascaris fasciola tinea. So actually these are not possesses any pseudocoelomate character. So option 1 is wrong. Next, come to the second option. Here, Culex locusta, it is also does not show. It is wrong option. Third option, Ochraria, it will show pseudocoelomate. Ascaris, it will show pseudocoelomate. And Encyclostoma. These 3 organisms, in third option, these 3 organisms shows pseudocoelomate character. Pseudocoelomate means what? Coelom is absent actually, but the body cavity seems like coelom. Such kind of coelomates are called pseudocoelomates. So among these here, third option is correct. Fourth option also wrong. The correct option is third. Next bit. Closed blood vascular system is found in the closed blood vascular system. Here, closed blood vascular system means what? The blood is pumped through closed blood vessels. That is what found in. See here, Bombax mori, it is insect. So in insects, closed blood vascular system we cannot found. So 1 is wrong. Sepia, it is called cuttlefish. Sepia is also called cuttlefish. In this one, we will see closed type of circulatory system. Belanoglossus. So in this also we cannot see closed blood vascular, open type of blood vascular system we can see. Acidia, in this also we will see open type of circulatory system. Closed blood vascular system is found in sepia, that is cuttlefish. The correct option is 2. Next question, 8th. The members of phylum Porifera are called sponges. Those sponges having numerous distinguishable characters. There are a number of differentiating characters, but among those, one is peculiar character that would be located only in sponges. Those characters are, see, these are diploblastic. Like other organisms, sponges are diploblastic organisms. It is not a peculiar character. Mostly members are marine and some are freshwater. Yes, like other organisms, sponges also marine, some are freshwater. Third, conocytes, which line sponges? It is correct. So actually, inside of the sponges, there is a central canal system is there that is called conocytes. Conocytes are collar cells or special flagellated cells that line the central cavity. That is called spongocyte. It is peculiar character. It can be located only in sponges. Okay, so that's all. Next, intracellular digestion. The digestion which takes place inside the cells is called intracellular digestion. So it is also normal character. So among these four options, it is wrong, it is wrong, it is wrong. So the peculiar character is this is. Remaining all are normal characters. The peculiar character is this is. Option 3 is correct. Okay, that's all. Next, ninth question. Organ level of organization is found in. Generally, organ level of organization is found in spongilla. So spongilla. Spongilla, it is in spongilla, it is the phylum belongs to the porifera. In this one, cellular level of organization we can see. Plurobranchia. So in this one also, we cannot find organ level of organization. Plurobranchia. So tinea solium, in this one, organ system level of organization we can be seen. So ninth question, third option is correct. Obelia. So in this one, tissue, it is belongs to the phylum. It is belongs to the phylum Coelenterix. In this one, we can see tissue level of organization. Among these four options, the correct option is 3. Third option is correct. Next, let's see 10th question. 10th question. Spongilla and Euspongia both are belongs to the phylum Porifera, are the members of phylum Poriferaceae bearing which of the following character? So these two bearing one following character. What is that? See, they have water transport or canal system. Yes, both have water transport and canal system. Bearing which of the following characters are members of the phylum Porifera? Yes, these are hermaphrodites with internal fertilization. With internal fertilization. Okay, with internal fertilization. Yes, hermaphrodites, bisexual, with fertilization is internal. Both 1 and 2, these two are common. Okay, so they are exclusively marine. It is wrong. Some are freshwater, some are marine. So these two are correct. So both 1 and 2. 10th question, the correct answer is 3. Both 1 and 2. Next question. Next question. 11th question, select the set of organisms which have metameric segmentation. So first of all, here metameric segmentation means some of the organisms, the phylum Annelida organisms body have metamerically segmented. That is from the external surface to internal surface also, from the external surface to internal surface, from the external surface to internal surface. Okay, so from the external surface to the internal surface. From the external surface to the internal surface, it is metamerically segmented. Metamerically means what? Completely the body is segmented. So that is called metameric segmentation. So that kind of segmentation we will see in Physalia. Yes, Physalia in this one, Fasciola hirudinaria. Fasciola hirudinaria. So yes, actually in this one, so Physalia, Fasciola hirudinaria, in this one we cannot find any metamerically segmented body. So option 1 is wrong. Gorgonia, it is Chetoplura. These are not shows metamerically segmentation. Astias, Balanoglossus, Branchiostomata. These are also not shows any segmentation. So here the correct option is 4. Peritima earthworm, Periplaneta americana, Periplaneta americana. It is cockroach and frog. Okay, so these will show metameric segmentation. Metameric segmentation. So 11th question, correct answer is 4th. 4th option is correct. 12th question, locomotor structure are absent in which of the following? From the following, which one locomotor structures are absent? Flagellated protozoans. Flagellated protozoans. Yes, flagellated protozoans means what? Generally, they possesses flagella as a locomotor organ. Yes. Sporozoans. Actually, here sporozoans, it is a parasitic protozoan. They have infectious spore-like stage in their life cycle. Actually, it does not have any type of locomotory organs. Sporozoans, it is correct. Flagellated protozoans. Flagella only protozoan. Flagella only locomotor organ. So it is wrong option. Ciliated. In some protozoans, ciliated. Cilia only locomotor organ. Amoeboid protozoans. In amoeboid protozoans, pseudo locomotor organs are present. Among these 4 options, the second option is correct. In sporozoans, the sporozoans causes malarial disease in human beings. So in this one, any type of locomotor structures are absent. So correct option is 2. 12th question, correct option is 2. Amoeboid protozoans are characterized by, generally here amoeboid protozoans are characterized by cilia is not found in amoeba, flagella is not found in amoeba, pseudopodia is found in amoeba. Generally amoeba is a shapeless organism. Shapeless, it does not have a proper shape. So when it's wanted to move from one place to another place, so from their body surface, it forms a long tubular structure. It acts as a temporary locomotor organ. It is called pseudopodia. Pseudopodia. It is called false foot. False foot. False foot. Okay. So amoeboid protozoans are characterized by pseudopodia. Okay. So the correct option for this is third question. Third option is correct. Next, which of the following pair is not correctly matched? So among these, not correctly matched. What is that? See, Entamoeba histolytica, it causes amoebic dysentery. Correct. Plasmodium vivax, it causes malaria. It is correct. Trypanosoma gambiensis, it causes Kal ajar or leishmaniasis. Leishmania, trypanosoma causes Kal ajar. This is also called leishmania disease. These 3 options are correct. So Giardia, diarrhea. So generally here diarrhea, Vibrio cholera. Okay, so it is wrong option. It is not correctly matched. Diarrhea, it is diarrhea is caused by contaminated food material due to the Vibrio cholera. Okay, Vibrio cholera bacteria. So, but here they given different one. So among the 4 options, 4th option is not correctly matched. So 4th option is correct option. The correct set for porifera is, see, acoelomates, freshwater, zooplanktonic, triploblastic cell aggregate body. See here, it is wrong option. Related to the porifera, this is wrong. Acoelomates not. It is not freshwater. Both, in both the places, it can be. It is not a zooplanktonic. Okay, so that it is wrong. Second, eucoelomates, marine, sedentary, diploblastic, blind, it is wrong. In this, some options are not related to porifera. Cellular level of organization. Yes, porifera shows the cellular level of organization. Most of the organisms marine, very few are freshwater. Sedentary, inactive. Sedentary means what? Inactive. Diploblastic. So poriferan organisms are formed from the two cellular layers. Okay, so third option is correct. Next, acoelomates, marine, sedentary, diploblastic. Okay, so acoelomates. Actually, poriferans are acoelomates, marine, sedentary, diploblast, but blind sac body plan. They don't have blind sac body plan. Remaining three are correct, but it is not there. So that fourth option is wrong. For 15th question, the correct option is third. Third option is correct one. Which one of the following invertebrates is a protostomic, bilaterally symmetric, and pseudocoelomate? Okay, so here, which one of the following invertebrates? Someone is in one among the four following options. One is invertebrate. It is a prostomic. Prostomic means what? Mouth appears quite earlier, before its anus, during embryonic development. That is called prostomic. Bilaterally symmetric. The body is divided into two similar halves and mirror images. And pseudocoelomate. Coelomate is false. That is what we can be found in Ochraria bancrofti. Ochraria bancrofti. It is Ochraria species. Okay. In this one, so mouth appears before the anus formation during embryonic stage. Okay. So these characteristics we can be seen in only Ochraria. Ochraria bancrofti causes filariasis disease in human beings. Remaining 1, 2, 4 options were wrong. The correct option is 3. Next, the 17th question. So choose the correct statement from the following. So from the 4 following options, which one is the wrong option? So see here, poriferans are generally marine. Yes, poriferans are generally marine. Most poriferans are asymmetrical. Yes, the body cannot be divided into two equal halves. Conocytes, also called color cells, which line the spongiocele and canals. Yes, it is correct. So all of the above. So for 17th question, the correct option is 4th. All the options were correct. Next, 18th question. Sleeping sickness is caused by. So entamoeba, it causes amoebiasis disease. Trypanosoma, it causes sleeping sickness. Trypanosoma gambiense. The complete name of sleeping sickness parasite is Trypanosoma gambiense. It causes sleeping sickness disease in human beings. So the second option is correct option. So remaining Plasmodium, it causes malaria. Paramecium, it causes various infections. So the correct option for this is second. 18th question, correct option is second one. 19th question. Stage of Plasmodium. Plasmodium is infective to man and injected into a human body, human blood by mosquito is. So spore-like stage. Generally, so spores are formed in female Anopheles mosquito body. Okay, so those spores are stored in the female Anopheles mosquito mouth parts. When it bites the human beings, it injected mouth parts and releases spore-like stage that is called sporozoids. These sporozoids are infective stage. It causes malarial infection in human beings. Malarial infection in human beings. So 19th question, one is correct. Let's see, tropozoid. It is not causes infection. Okay, so cyst, it is not. All of the above, it is not. So the correct option is first one. It is malarial parasite. It causes malarial disease. Okay. Next, digestion. Next question. Digestion in cnidarians. Cnidarians also called coelentrates. So how the digestion takes place in cnidarians? It is direct question. If you study phylum features, you can say directly it is both extracellular, intracellular. Extracellular, cellular digestion. So extracellular digestion, the digestion which takes place outside the cells, that is called extracellular digestion. Next, intracellular digestion. So the digestion which takes place outside the inside the cells, that is called intracellular digestion. This is commonly found in cnidarians. So the correct option is both 1 and 2. The correct option is third option, 1 and 2. 20th question, the correct option is third. Next, if you will see 21, which of the following sponge is also known as bath sponge? See, in olden days, so the poriferan phylum organisms used as a bathtub, that is not a spongilla, not a scypha. It is Euspongia. So Euspongia, it is used as a bathtub, bath sponge in olden days. Leucosolinia, it is not. It is not. It is not. Among the 4 options, 21th question, it is direct question. Third option is Euspongia. It is used as a bathtub in olden days. Next question is 22. Which of the following is not locomotory organelles of protozoans? Okay, so cilia, it is a locomotory organ in protozoan phylum Paramecium. In Paramecium, it is a locomotory organ. Cilia is a locomotory organ. Flagella, it is a locomotory organ in Trypanosoma. Trypanosoma gambiense. In this one, flagella is a locomotor organ. Third, which of the following is not a locomotor organelle in protozoans? Tube feet. So tube feet, it is not a locomotor organ in protozoans. Tube feet, it is a locomotor organ in echinoderms, that is starfish. In starfish, locomotor organs are tube feet. So pseudopodia, it is a locomotor organ in amoeba. So in amoeba, pseudopodia is a locomotor organ. So that among these 4 options, tube feet, it is a locomotor organ in starfish. It belongs to the phylum Echinodermata. Okay, that is the 27th question. 27th question answer is third option is correct. Next, 23. Metamerism is found in arthropoda, annelida, chordata. Metamerism means what? Already we discussed. What is that? In arthropoda, annelida, and chordata, metameric. Externally, the body is externally and internally divided into segments. Okay, so that metamerism is commonly found in arthropoda. So arthropoda, annelida, and chordata. Let us see. In mollusca, we cannot find. Porifera, we cannot find. Echinodermata, we cannot find. So that it is wrong. Aschelminthes, annelida, chordata. But in Aschelminthes, we cannot find. Annelida, arthropoda. In mollusca, we cannot find. So that among the 4 options, metamerism is found in first option, that is 23.1. First option is correct option. Trypanosoma gambiense. It is belongs to the group. Which group? See, amoeboid protozoans. In this one, radiolaria, marine and freshwater amoeba, and amoeba histoltica. These are belongs to the amoeboid protozoans. Sporozoans, it is belongs to the protozoan. These also, it is trypanosoma belongs to which group? Sporozoan belongs to the protozoan, not belongs to the trypanosoma. It causes malaria disease in human beings. It is a spore-like stage. It is infective stage. Flagellated protozoans, yes. So trypanosoma belongs to the flagellated protozoans. It causes sleeping sickness disease in human beings. So ciliated protozoans, paramecium. In the paramecium consists of cilia. Okay, so among these four options, the correct option is third, flagellated protozoans. Next, 25th, paramecium moves about by. Generally, paramecium moves about by pseudopodia. Pseudopodia in paramecium is absent. Cilia, yes. So paramecium consists of, generally paramecium body is slipper-like shaped. So that it is called, slipper animalcule, like that. These are all called short hair-like structures, cilia. So with the help of cilia, the paramecium moves in the water. So this ciliatory movement helps intake of food material into the body. Okay, that's all. So that here cilia, second option is correct. Let us see both 1 and 2. So 1 is not correct. So third one is wrong. Flagella, in paramecium flagella are absent. So that the correct option for 25th question is 2. Next, 26th question. The pila showing radially symmetry. So the pila, which pila showing radially symmetry? So while I'm saying the lesson, I said one point, whether you remembered or not, I don't know. So among all the animals, radial symmetry is possessed by 3 organisms, that is Echinodermata, Coelenterata, and Ctenophora. These 3 organisms shows radially symmetry. This point I stressed. Okay, so these will show radially symmetry. So that it is correct option. Let us see, Porifera, it will not show radially symmetry. Asymmetrical, mollusca, it will not show radially symmetry. Okay, Echinodermata, it will show bilaterally symmetrical. Protozoa, it will not show radially symmetrical. Coelenterata, it will show bilaterally symmetrical. Coelenterata, it will show bilaterally symmetrical. Ctenophora, it will show radially symmetry. Ctenophora, it will show radially symmetry, but Annelida, it will show bilaterally symmetrically, so that it is wrong. Due to those characters, these 3 are absent. So the first option for 26th question, the correct option is first. Okay, radial symmetry. The body can be divided into 2 equal halves. Okay, that's all. Next, 27th question. The symmetry found in animal which can be divided into identical left and right halves in one plane only. That is what? Spherical symmetry. So the body is spherical shaped. The spherical shaped symmetry is called spherical shaped body is called spherical symmetry. It is wrong. Bilateral symmetry. It is correct. So the body can be divided into left and right halves, which are mirror images. Identical left, right means what? Mirror images. So second option is correct. Radial symmetry. Radial symmetry means what? The body can be divided into equal halves. Okay. So, but not mirror images. Biradial symmetry means what? So biradial, it is also generally, so the body according to the question, it is not biradial. So that among the 4 options, the correct option is 2. The correct answer is 2. Next bit. Gullet of paramecium is meant for, yes. Gullet, it is a food pipe. Through the food pipe, the food is entered inside. The process is called ingestion. Okay, so it is called slipper animalcule. Paramecium body seems to be a slipper shaped here. So gullet, it is gullet. Okay, so when water is laden with the help of cilia, the food materials are entered into the gullet. So the entering food material into the gullet of paramecium is called ingestion. Okay, so it is a direct question. Second option is correct. Osmoregulation, it is not osmoregulation. Agitation means expelled undigested waste material through anus. That is called agitation. Reproduction, it is not a reproduction. Reproduction is different. So among the 4 options, the second option is correct. 28th question, correct option is second. 29th question. Which one is monogenetic parasite? First of all, monogenetic parasite means what? So the organism which can finish its life cycle in only one host. Only one host. Such organisms are called monogenetic parasites. Monogenetic parasites. So generally monogenetic parasite is here. See, Trypanosoma gambians, it can be finished its life cycle in two hosts. One is human being, another one is CCE, fly. Plasmodium, it can be finished its life cycle in two hosts. One is human, another one is female Anopheles mosquito. Female Anopheles mosquito. Entamoeba stoltica, it will finish its life cycle in only human. So that it is called monogenetic parasite. Liver fluke, it can be finished its life cycle in two organisms. One is humans, another one is goat. Okay, so among the four options, the correct option is third option. The correct option is third. Last and final bit for today's session, that is endoparasitic protista. Endoparasitic means what? It survives inside of the body. Endoparasitic protista, that is belongs to the protozoan class. Protozoan, endoparasitic protistan, protozoan. It is belongs to the class which one? Endoparasitic. Mastigopora, it is not endoparasitic protozoan. Okay, so sporozoan, yes, it is endoparasitic protozoan. So sporozoa, through mosquito bite, it is entered into the human being's body. So when it is entered into the human being body, it is directly entered into the liver, human liver, and settle there and feeds on the liver cells and causes infections in human beings. So that endoparasitic protistan protozoan, it belongs to the class sporozoan. So here for this question, the correct option is second option. So let's see third and fourth, Sarcodiana. So actually this is endoparasitic protistan protozoan is not belong to the Sarcodiana class, Ciliata class. Okay, that's all. Among the four options, the correct option is second option. Okay, thank you. Remaining bits discussion, we will keep discussion on next upcoming video. Thank you.